Welcome to our video on how to plan your day for maximum productivity. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to make the most of our time. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a stay-at-home parent, finding ways to be more productive can help you achieve your goals and lead a more fulfilling life. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies for planning your day to help you get more done in less time. The first step in planning your day for maximum productivity is to set clear and specific goals. These goals should be realistic, measurable, and achievable. Start by writing down what you want to accomplish for the day, and then break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will help you focus on what needs to be done and give you a sense of direction for your day. Once you've set your goals and broken them down into smaller tasks, it's important to prioritize them. This means identifying which tasks are the most important and need to be done first. A good way to do this is to use the Eisenhower matrix, which helps you divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. To help you stay on track and make the most of your time, it's a good idea to use a time management technique. The Pomodoro technique is a popular method that involves breaking your work into 25-minute intervals, called Pomodoros, with short breaks in between. This helps to keep you focused and reduces the likelihood of burnout. Distractions are a major productivity killer, and it's important to eliminate them as much as possible. This means turning off your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet place to work. You can also use apps or website blockers to help you stay focused on your task. While it's important to eliminate distractions and stay focused on your task, it's also important to take regular breaks. This will help you stay energized and refreshed and prevent burnout. A good rule of thumb is to take a break every hour or so, and use this time to stretch, move around, or do something completely unrelated to work. At the end of your day, take some time to review what you've accomplished, and reflect on what you've learned. This will help you identify areas where you can improve, and make adjustments for the next day. By following these tips and strategies, you'll be well on your way to planning your day for maximum productivity. Remember to set clear and specific goals, prioritize your tasks, use a time management technique, eliminate distractions, take regular breaks, and review and reflect at the end of the day. By doing so, you'll be able to get more done in less time and lead a more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching.